This is Qwen Edit that can turn a face image into a full-body portrait with matching outfits. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and run Qwen Edit, even on a low VRAM GPU. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files for Qwen. I have left the model link below the comment section. You can access the link and download. After downloading, we will move the downloaded files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. In the node Qwen file, you will delete the old node Qwen file and replace it with the downloaded file. Then we will run ComfyUI. We will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will reselect the model in the nodes that match the downloaded models. I will upload the input image. I will enter prompt for image input. I will adjust the output image resolution to HD. I will run this workflow. The results are very good. The face remains the same and the photo sticks to the prompt very well. I will try another picture with another prompt. And that's Qwen Edit GGUF, the easiest way to go from a face photo to a full-body portrait locally. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more AI model setups that run beautifully on low VRAM GPUs.